What's up guys, welcome to my channel. You have tried everything but your video is still not ranking. You have wrote your description, title and the best tags but your video is still not ranking. So in this video I'm going to show you YouTube algorithm secret from which your video will rank. And no one have told you this trick on YouTube, and if you try this trick your video will 100% rank. And I tried this trick for myself and this video got more views, and when I didn't try this trick this video got less views. And watch this video till the very end so you understand everything. And if you don't, then don't comment me in the comment that it's not working for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, you must open this screen on your PC, or if you want to use this on your mobile, you just must turn on desktop side. First you must open your YouTube studio, edit the video you want to rank. You must open a second tab and search for keywords tools.io. And you must open a third tab and search for YT CEO tools. Whatever topic you made the video, for example, if I am making a video on 1000 subscribers, so you have to go to the YT CEO tools, click on tools video services and click on title generator, and then you have to scroll down and write your video title here. For example, I will type how to complete 1000 subscribers. Now you will see some titles here. You have to pick a title from here. So I will copy this title and paste to my video title. And now you will see the title is in 3 parts. This means your video will show up from 3 titles. So now you must paste this title on the top of the description of your video. And now you must scroll down and go to the text section and paste this title. So you must paste this title in 3 places. Now you must go to the generator again and copy all the titles and paste this in the description of the video. And now you have to copy the title first part and you have to paste this on keywords tools.io. And now this will give you your title related best and searchable tags. Now you will get some tags. You must copy these tags and paste it in the YT Studio tags. And now you must copy the third part of the title and paste it in the keywords tools.io website. You must search for your related video and this website will give you the best and searchable tags. So now I will copy this and paste it in the tag section. And now my tags are more than 500, so now I will remove some. I will remove the first one and the second one. Now whatever topic your video is about, Like my main topic is how to get 1000 subscribers. So you have to type hashtag and write your main video topic. Like mine is about subscriber, so I will write hashtag 1000 hashtag subscribers. And now you have to copy all the tags you wrote and you have to scroll up and paste it in the description of your video. So this method benefit is when your title work, your video will rank. Or if the title doesn't work, you have titles in the description, your video will rank. Or even if the description doesn't work, you have wrote your tags, so your video will rank. And you have to write your video topic, or if you didn't, your video won't rank. So these are the things you have to do to make your video rank. So you guys saw how I did these steps, and you have to follow all the steps. If someone search something on YouTube, if it doesn't come from one tag, it can come from another tag. And you have to follow all the steps, and using this method, you can rank your video. So I hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new here, and press the bell notification so you get all my upcoming videos notifications. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.